You doing today, guys? Today I'm about to show you how to install your LED backup lighting. This one is a 2019, so your RAV4, and today I'm gonna show you how to install your LED backup lighting. And the one that I'm using today is called RAV4 LED lighting. I bought that one on eBay. You guys can buy anyone on eBay or Amazon, doesn't matter. And this one is really bright at night. Guys, wait until the end so you can see the nighttime. You guys can see what I'm talking about. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to stay to the end so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Here we go, guys. This is the lights that we're gonna be installing. You only basically need this type of tool. So let's get into it. You see that part located over there on the back door of the lift gate. You only need one of these tools or a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and it's gonna have a little bit edge over there where you're going to plug that over there. And you basically just put that off. And then let me show you guys really quick. There we go, guys. So that's the light that we're gonna take it off. You basically turn it like that and try to pull it off. That's the reverse light. That's the light that we're gonna be changing today. Out the light is gonna be looking just like that, and that's gonna be the socket where we're gonna install the new lights. So that's the new light. The new light is gonna be over there. Let me put it on to show you guys. That's how we're going to look, guys, when it's putting on. So you basically need to put everything back to the same place it was before. So over there, where you put the silver, try to adjust it that it's close. So basically just like that. Try to turn so you don't come out. In case the car moves, it's secure in place, and you only have to put the plastic trim back in place. You can put this just like that. Push it. There we go, brand new. And we're gonna work on the other side. It's basically the same thing, and I'm gonna try to show you really quick. Here we go, guys. That's the new light, right? We're gonna use the same tool, the same step. Take this out. Take out the stock. There we go, easy as that. Take out the original bulb and install the one that you like, the LED one. Just like that, and put the socket back in place. There we go, we secure everything. We put back the plastic trim. Easy as that, guys. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give a thumbs up. See if you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. There we go, guys. This is how we look at nighttime. Really nice, really bright. You guys can see how bright it is. Really bright. You guys can see everything at nighttime when you guys backing up. Really nice, guys. Recommend you getting this product. Cheap and easy to install. Nothing crazy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.